10 Amazon finds of this month. This is a power surge protector that triples your available outlets with a unique design featuring 6 pivoting sockets. It protects your electronics from power surges and has a low-profile design that blends seamlessly into any space. This is a portable vacuum cleaner that instantly cleans up all the messes in both your car and home. This is a compact robot vacuum that can sneak into places where other vacuums can't, quietly cleaning every corner of your home. It even empties itself, ensuring your floors remain spotless. This is a can opener with a built-in bottle opener. Once it's locked into place, you just crank it back and forth until the can is open. These sticky memo boards stick right to the side of your monitor for reminders and to-do lists, so you no longer have to clutter your desk with sticky notes. Just peel them off once your tasks are completed. This is a secure portable lockbox that is designed to keep your phone, cash, and valuables safe wherever you go. This is a 2-in-1 toaster that flips into a mini oven with a tray, so you can toast bagels or even make pizzas and s'mores. This is a convenient rechargeable spinner bowl that automatically runs for 20 seconds, making it a quick and easy way to wash and dry fruit or salad. This is a footrest with a built-in slipper compartment and more than 4 different ways to rest your feet. It can also be rocked back and forth for added comfort. This is a bedside clip-on nightstand that attaches easily without any tools. It is perfect for anyone living in a dorm or apartment who needs extra table space.